If you have hip pain or back pain, specifically sciatica, after sitting all day at work, I have the best yoga poses for you in this video. Hi, I'm Melissa from Yoga with Melissa. I offer real yoga for real people. We are all about connection. Connection with a teacher and teachings that allow you to connect with your true self and to a community of people who support each other on a genuine path of spiritual transformation. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us, and thank you for subscribing and turning on those notifications. In the month of January of 2018, I am putting out a brand new video like this every single day for our New Year 30-day yoga challenge. On day 26, I will be giving you a video of 5 minutes of yoga that you can do at your desk. On day 27, I will be doing a very important video on how to sleep with yoga. And then on day 28, it will be yoga for when you are on your period. If those sound like videos that are helpful for you, then when you subscribe and press that little bell, you will get the videos to show up in your subscription feed on YouTube so that you will get every single video in our 30-day challenge this month. Now, before I show you the best yoga poses to relieve your back and hip pain after sitting all day at work, I want to point you to some of the best resources I have for people who sit all day. First is a 1-hour class that is fabulous for you to do after work. And if you click show more on YouTube, then the direct link will be there for you for that. Second is a 3-minute yoga video sharing 2 of the best yoga poses for sitting all day. And again, if you click show more, then the link will be there. And then I have a 1-hour member yoga video for sciatica, because one of the problems with sitting all day is that sciatica is a result. So this is a 55 1-hour minute video. And there's also a link to become a member if you're not already a member. Okay, let's get to the best yoga poses you can do if you have hip pain from sitting at work for a long time, whether it's a desk job or a driving job. So my favorite pose for this is lunge pose with some upper body variations. So lunge pose, or Anjaneyasana in Sanskrit. The way that you do it is you come onto all fours, step your right foot in between your 2 hands, and then press into your right foot and lift your torso so you feel the opening at the front of your left hip. There's a few opening variations for your upper body. One is to open your arms behind your chest and clasp your hands. The second upper body variation is to rotate your torso to add a twist. And the third upper body variation is to add eagle arms. So hold your right arm in front of you and then hook your left arm underneath and hook it around until your palms meet. So the reason why this works is that when you sit all day, your hip flexor muscles, or more appropriately, it's called your psoas, is in a constantly contracted position. This pose opens up that muscle and it lengthens it out. Now, the upper variations also open up parts of your body that are usually hunched over computer screens or steering wheels or whatever you're doing out in front of your body all day. The rotation and the eagle arms will release the tension from the tight muscles in your back. The second pose that I'm going to show you will relieve your tight hips and your sciatica pain. So this pose is called keyhole stretch. And the way that you do it is that you lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. You cross your right ankle over your left upper thigh. And then you draw your left bent leg into your chest. And you'll feel the sensation on the outside of your right leg and into your right buttocks. Hold this for at least 5 breaths or longer, and then repeat on the other side. So the reason why it works is that sciatica is often caused by a tight piriformis muscle pressing on the sciatic nerve. If this is the case for you, and it is true for about 70% of sciatica cases, then keyhole stretch is an effective way to relieve both the sciatic pain and the hip pain. My final yoga pose of choice to counteract those long hours sitting will be beneficial for those who experience sciatica, but also for those who spend long hours rounded over the computer screens and laptops. And this is Locust Pose. And this has been a pretty popular pose in my 30-day series. So how do you do it? You lie on your stomach and you place your hands palms up beside your body, lengthen long through your legs, and then lift your chest and your legs and your arms off the ground. And good idea to hold it for at least 5 breaths. Now, the reason why this works is this pose will open up your chest and your shoulders. It will strengthen your back. This pose will also decompress your back while strengthening and toning your abdominals. So a fabulous pose. I absolutely love this pose. If you're looking for more, then if you go to melissawest.com/back pain, I will send you 8 days of back pain relief to help you with yoga. I will send you 1 video a day for 8 days with the best of yoga, Ayurveda, self-massage, pranayama, which means breath practices, to help you with your back. Now, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, put "work is fun, my office chair spins" in the comments. Thank you so much for pressing that like button. And if you know somebody who would benefit from this video, then please share it with them. Remember to subscribe so that you can get my 5 minutes of desk yoga for neck and shoulders tomorrow. Namaste.